Dr. Kurt Campbell, the National Security Council Coordinator for the Indo-Pacific, the Captain of the Coast Guard Kata Manro, Captain Blake Novak. I hope that was correct. Thank you indeed for hosting us tonight, and may I first of all welcome Dr. Campbell and his delegation. Thank you indeed, sir, for again visiting Fiji within a very short period of time. We met in Denarau a few weeks back, but we are glad that you are here. And thank you indeed for the delegation that you have brought with you. I stand on behalf of the Honorable Prime Minister and Cabinet Ministers and senior government officials and your friends in Fiji to welcome you most warmly to our shores, and thank you once again for being with us for a very short period of time. We are indeed grateful, and as assured by the Honorable Prime Minister, we are with you. Though we are small, we are relevant, and we are thankful that visits as such to strengthen the strong relationships that we share. I also welcome back the second cutter vessel that has been patrolling our seas in Fiji over the last few days, and of course we hope that more of this will continue as well. We are indeed grateful for this assistance, and of course it gives us much assurance, particularly in areas that are beyond our control. There are issues, not only IUU, but of course trans-border issues as well, that we cannot combat effectively given the limitations in capabilities that we have. But we are indeed thankful for this. But most importantly, it's just a friendship. COVID has separated us, and unfortunately, we have been having meetings through virtuals, but it's good to have our friends and strategic partners back so that we can have heart-to-heart and people-to-people relationships and discussions on the issues that are of mutual interest to all of us. So we hope that you will enjoy your short stay in visit, and of course we hope and pray that you'll safely return to your beautiful country, and we look forward to more of such engagements in the future.
I would like to acknowledge all of those in attendance tonight. The Honorable Josiah Barangi Binamarama, Prime Minister of Fiji. Major General Kaluna Wai, Commander of the RFMF. Commodore Tawake, Deputy Commodore of RFMF. Government officials of Fiji. Members of the Diplomatic Corps. The traveling delegation from the United States, from the National Security Council, Mr. Kurt Campbell, Ms. Catherine Peck, Ms. Sarah Donnellan, Mr. Rush Doshi, Department of State, Assistant Secretary Dan Kurtenbrink, Ms. Amy Carlson, USAID, Mr. Craig Hart, Deputy Commander, US Indo-Pacific Command, Lieutenant General Stephen Sklenka. We gather as committed partners in the Pacific, a region that is home to nearly 2/3 of the world's economy and 7 of the world's largest militaries. If I could please ask our Fijian shipwriters who spent the last few days with us to please step forward here to my right. We know that a free and open Indo-Pacific region is vital to the prosperity of every nation. Today, the Monroe arrived in Fiji with these shipwriters who represent the Fiji Navy, Revenue and Customs Service, Ministry of Fisheries, and the Fijian Immigration Department. These shipwriters served as leaders in protecting vital maritime resources and economic sovereignty of Fiji and other Pacific large ocean states. Vanaka to our shipwriters. We welcome Fiji's reopened borders, allowing us to again bolster security here in the Pacific by patrolling the exclusive economic zone of Fiji while promoting a rules-based order together. The United States Coast Guard values our relationship, and we are glad to be back. Monroe is the second cutter this year to visit Fiji. We are committed to this relationship and look forward to continued work together. Vanaka.